Hello everyone and welcome to this Udemy course of CYPETHERM Improvements Plus. This course is part of a series of courses developed in RenoZEB European project, whose objective is to boost the nZEB market for renovation of buildings, using new software tools and the new developed constructive solution RenoZEB plug-and-play system. We recommend the students to take a look at the other courses available at Udemy: IFC Builder to create the BIM model of their building, BIM Focchi Facades to integrate the plug-and-play solution into the BIM model, and CYPETHERM Eplus to make the energy simulation of the building. You can find the download link of the program on the RenoZEB webpage in the Training Tools section. You can download CYPETHERM Improvements Plus from the collaborative platform bimserver.center. To download the program, you can create a free user account. In this course, we will work with the BIM model example that has been developed in the rest of the courses: IFC Builder, BIM Focchi Facades, and CYPETHERM Eplus. It is a residential building in the town of Durango, the Basque Country, and has been renovated under the guidelines of RenoZEB project. Here you can see the results of the energy simulation made in CYPETHERM Eplus. We have a simulation of the initial situation, a simulation for a renovation applying the plug-and-play RenoZEB system, and finally one applying an ETIC system. In both renovation cases, roof improvement measures have been implemented. In this course, we will see how to import these results into CYPETHERM Improvements Plus to be able to perform an audit that allows us to choose the best constructive solution in terms of cost, CO2 emissions, energy savings, and amortization.